How to read WhatsApp messages without opening. Want to read WhatsApp messages without opening the app and triggering those blue ticks? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that for both individual and group chats. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel. Now, open the WhatsApp app and tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and select Notifications. Then, scroll down again and make sure the option called Show Preview is turned on. This setting allows you to preview the text inside a new message notification. Now, whenever you receive a WhatsApp message, simply swipe down from the top of your screen to open your notification center. You'll be able to read the message right there without opening WhatsApp at all. Want even more privacy? Here's another tip. Go back to Settings, tap on Privacy, and scroll down to find Read Receipts. Toggle this setting off. Now, even if you do open the message inside WhatsApp, it won't show as read, meaning no blue ticks for the sender. That's it. 2 simple ways to read WhatsApp messages secretly. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.